Hello guys and welcome back to the showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a 2022 Hot Wheels car, the Honda Civic Custom, and this is a really nice new model for 2022. Really hot new casting. People are all over these, and this is a very nice looking car, and it's got different wheels in the front and the back, and it's a Hot Wheels J Imports car, number 10 of 10. As you can see in the card work here, there's actually a person there. Very cool artwork. I got two of these at my local Family Dollar. M case release, and you can read that if you'd like. Might have been an L case original release, but I'm not sure what case they originally came in. But this casting was born in El Segundo, California, and Hot Wheels actually designed this custom Honda Civic. Our take on the Honda 8-second dragster, this Honda Civic has a massive turbo custom front shell wrapping around the front drag tires. This import is a 90s drag icon with a modern Hot Wheels spin. And Hot Wheels J Imports is a dream collection of Japanese domestic market vehicles. And I like that. You can see that custom front. Very cool Honda Civic. It's definitely based off like a 90s EK9 or something similar. But I grabbed two of these, one to keep in the packaging and one to open. But this is a really nice model. I'm glad I scored this one. Check that out. Love the blue and white and then the yellow wheels. There's the back. Other side there. As you can see, different wheels in the front and back. It's definitely supposed to be like that. Custom bumper in the front that connects to the base. Ooh, I like the base. I love the design on the bottom. Very detailed. Love the texture too. Honda Civic Custom, blue color. 5 spokes in the front, Aerodisc wheels in the back. Those are yellow wheels. ASADA race garage on the side. It's got red and green as well. Love the combinations on the colors. And then we got driving on the right and no passenger seat. So this is the opposite of the United States where we have the driving on the left. This has the driving on the right. Very cool, number 42 with the green R and some kind of design on the hood. I'm not sure what that is. And then there's the top. There's a kind of like a spoiler on the back. Check that out. Custom bumper in the back too. Very cool model. As you can see, very nice looking hatchback. This is a very nice hot hatch. And this is a black plastic base. Painted rivet and an unpainted rivet. Very cool. White Hot Wheels logo. Custom windows. Nice designs around that. Very nice model, and I noticed that the wheels are bigger in the front. Pretty interesting. Doesn't look like any painted details, but very nice model. Super sweet. Definitely a nice drift car or whatever you want to use it for. Nice clean open we got on this one. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video. Nice angle of it there. Goodbye.